Hello YouTube, Statue75 with the NBA Hoops holiday package. Just broke blaster box, just broke the regular blaster box. Still hunting for a nice Zion Williamson. Got one, but it was like the tribute rookie card. I don't know if that's better than the regular, but we shall see. So let's get into these Christmas packs. See if we have better luck. Excuse me. Paul George. His cards don't look much different. I'll get rookies right here in the middle. Brandon Clark. Oh, it's got like snow in the background. That's sick. That's different. Oh, that's cool. Kobe White. Oh, Ja Morant with the snow. That's different. Ja Morant with the snow. That's cool. And then Cam Reddish, class of 2019. That's pretty cool. Chris Paul, Zach LaVine. All the rookies, I think, are in the snow. That's cool. Arriving now. Ja Morant. Cool. I guess not all the rookies are in the snow. This is a regular guy. He's not in the snow. Yeah, there's snowflakes on all the pictures. That's crazy. That's different. I don't know if I'm a fan. That's pretty cool. It's something different and it's festive. Lauren Marketing, nice. Third year. Keith Morris. Charles Barkley tribute. R.J. Barrett, rookie. Hernandez Jr. Larry Marketing. Give me a nice snowy autograph of Zion Williamson, Hunting. Come on. That's cool. Lights, camera, action. Kemba Walker. Luke Kennard, third year. This pack's a little thicker than the others. Oh, got a Memcad. Hopefully it's Zion Williamson. Karl Malone. Yeah, I got the Celtics rookie in the snow. Unfortunately, it's not Zion Williamson. It's Ty Jerome. Player worn used. Oh, cool. Whoa. Oh, so it's like a Christmas sweater that he wore. That's pretty cool. Feels nice. That's different. Oh boy. Oh, you got that in the snow. Kristaps Porzingis, Kelly Olynyk. Definitely not rookies. Wrong Luka rookie. Jordan Poole rookie. Frequent Flyers. Trae Young, second year. Nice camera action, Zach Levine. Down to 3 packs. Cody Martin rookie. Get a boat ton of rookies yet. None of them seem to be Zion Williamson. I don't think Zion likes me. I don't know why. I'm a nice enough guy. Come on, Zion. Come to me. Cat. Right now. Kevin Johnson. Last pack. Kyle Guy rookie. PJ Washington. John Morant. Nice. Tim Hardaway Jr., Jose Richardson. Or Josh Richardson. Alright guys, that's it. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. Happy Thanksgiving.